All right, seventh grade all county tuba players. This is your Unison band piece, and um, I'm sure that a lot of your band directors have worked with you on this already as a group, and you already kind of know. So I just want to give you a tuba to play with, and make sure that you are getting those tenutos, the long notes, right, and make sure you're getting those staccatos right, and then. Um, Really work on those dynamics, right? Make your fortes big. Don't start too soft because a lot of times we start mezzo forte, we start a little soft, then we get to that mezzo forte or mezzo piano after that, and it kind of dies off, and it really loses good breath support. Then we come into that forte, and we just I've got to make up for it. So really think about how loud that mezzo forte is going to be. Go ahead and play it because it's a solo audition. Go ahead and play it a little louder. And then let that mezzo piano, the judges are back there, make it obvious that you changed the dynamics. Don't be subtle about it. Really think about it. If you had a volume knob, like mezzo forte is going to be a 6 or 7 out of 10. Your mezzo piano, turn it all the way down to like a 4. And then as you come up to the forte, go ahead and make that up to like a 9. Okay, don't go as loud as you can. Don't go to a 10, which tends to spread our sound and make it really wide. So, and then B flat, E flat, and A flats. You may, if you need to mark your A flats, we are not looking at your paper. We're just listening to how you sound, right? So, here we go with our Unison band piece. I'm going to go ahead and set our metronome at 104. Count yourself in. Really think about how you're going to come in. I'm going to do a little bit out loud, and then I'm going to have to stop so I can breathe and play. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.